Kia ora tatou. Hi, my name is Georgia.
And moa tara Winton School, I'm Vere. Welcome to N.E.W.S news for Rā Apa, the 2nd of April.
Yes, Rā Apa is Junior Kapa Haka Day. Kani starts at 12:45, so listen for the clanging bell.
Now for some Techie team news. There's a lunchtime meeting in room 9 at 12:30. Bring your kai.
Most students are wearing their HI VIZ vests. Keep wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box below.
We have one very special birthday at Winton School today. Jacob Stark is turning the big 5. It's his very first day of school. Have a great day, Jacob.
All students interested in playing hockey next term, please get your forms from the office today.
Lastly, sports gear. It's back again. The rules are use it properly and return it. Thank you.
Okay, that's all for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kitea pōpō.
Haere rā, Winton School.